guys, my name is Ella. This is my sister Julia.
Hi.
And we got a full box of squishies, a box. And we got loads of squishies in there. Because our big sister made them when she was 9, but she's now 12. And she isn't here, but it's her actually bedroom, so she filling them everything, so you know, like when the things when you get squishies. I show for you something. That is that is emoji, which is everybody likes emojis, yeah, and it says hello and a happy face, yay! Look how squishy it is. My sister needed glasses so she can feel very well, because if she don't have a class, she don't feel very well, so she needs it. Now we going to the troll, which my sister likes troll and is a puppy. Yay! Look how cute she is. Do 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 do. And she is so very cute and tiny. Is this second ice cream? It's cutie, squishy, loads of squishy, yay! Look, do 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 do. Now that's my sister's squishies, and they're my favourite. You know what is it? I like Hello Kitty, and it's very nice and tiny. A donut Hello Kitty. Do 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 do. Let my sister squishies. Those are just like a slide, but there's green, blue, purple, and pink. Let my sister squishies. She got just only one hand because she broken that one, which she writing is very bad, she told me. And that is a candy floss. That one is my big sister's favourite. That's for you, now to squishy. Look at that cutie. I don't know what is it called, but it's very nice and tiny. So, woo 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 woo, my sister's turn. Look at that candy. Look how cute it is. You see, there's pink, purple, and a green outside. Now we come into this one. That is my little sister's favourite too. Oh no, it's fell. Thanks. Do 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 do. Can you hear the sound? Look, it's a Minecraft one. Look, that's so tiny. Isn't it cute? Isn't it? It's very cutie. It's Minecraft one. Look. It's Minecraft one, so you can see it. That is a bee, which her that one broken. Look, that's a bee, and that one's broken. You see, that one's broken, and I passing it to my little sister. My big sister made it. And she made that, which I don't know what is it, but but it's definitely so cute. That is a toast, which looks like a cat, but it's toast. Yay! There's 2 more of squishiness. Can you hear the sound? It didn't gone yet. It's so fat. Look, that is a rabbit, I think. No, it's a cat with the ice cream cat. It's very cute. It's my big sister's second one. You know. Who throw it at me? That one. Do 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 do. And we'll finish it now. Bye guys. See you in 7th video. Next video and 7.